First of all, let us eliminate the square root of x by squaring both sides. Doing that, we are going to have square root of x all to the power of x factorial all squared equals 27 raised to the power 2. 2 multiplies x. We have square root of x squared times x factorial equals 27 squared. Square root always eliminates square. Therefore, we'll be left with x to the power of x factorial equals 27 squared. Notice that 27 is a perfect cube. It means that we can express 27 as 3 to the power of 3. Let us do that. We will have x to the power of x factorial equals 27 be written as 3 to the power of 3 all squared. X to the power of x factorial equals 2 will be multiplying 3 to give us 3 to the power of 6. Rewriting this, we have x to the power of x factorial equals 3 to the power of, rewriting 6, we will have 3 times 2 times 1. Notice that 3 times 2 times 1 is also the factorial of 3. We can rewrite 3 times 2 times 1 as 3 factorial. X to the power of x factorial equals 3 to the power of 3 factorial. Then by direct comparison, we're going to see that x equals 3. Correct.